Hello, my friends. Stephanie at the Stamps of Life, and guess what? Today is Ketchup Day. Ketchup Day, what are you talking about? Would you prefer it be Mustard Day? I don't know. I'm just kidding. I don't know where this comes from. Anyway, I call it Ketchup Day because I'm afraid you might have missed something we released this month. September was a busy month for all of us. School started. We're all getting back into the fall things, and pumpkin stuff is starting to come back out again. Oh, I love pumpkin flavor. Yum. Anyway, I'm a little concerned you might have missed something that's on our website. And so I wanted to do a little video that just kind of gives you an overview of what we released this month. We first started with our adorable little Jolly Santa. Isn't he so cute? He's like waving, hi my friends, and he has those cute little presents. Also on the Stamp and Die set is the fun Christmas tree, which absolutely positively adorable, right? Now don't forget, we also released our Fold It Club candy cane. If you missed it out on that, I'm sorry, you can't get it. You have to be in the Folded Club to get those. Now, but here's a cute one. Look at this little Santa. We released other Santas because you know Stephanie, she can never stop with just one. So here we have one that's walking. He's walking to the mailbox. Look how cute that is with our mailbox. Here's one where he's putting presents under the tree, including our diamond plaid background, which I know so many of you literally grabbed as fast as you could. We also released our Have a Holly Jolly Christmas because our Santa is so jolly. Look how cute that is. This is a fun shaker. We're going to switch gears and look at some fall items now. We released our fun fall Try Slimline die. So awesome because it mixes and matches with our other Slimline Try dies. We have so much fun with these. And here's the perfect fall card. Then we released our Witch Fold It. I absolutely love it. A shaped card in a witch hat. And a shaped card in a ghost option. And this option for his faces, there's so many you won't believe it. I absolutely love these. They're so cute. We also released Scrapbook Jack. Scarecrow Jack. Why am I calling him Scarecrow Jack? Because he's a jack-o'-lantern scarecrow. Isn't he fun? He's just so happy and jolly too. And we have our sign background die, which literally we can't keep on the shelf because it's so popular. We have cute little grass down there. This is on a 5x7 scalloped card base. Absolutely beautiful, right? We also released a new card base. Yay! And we have more coming. A tree. This is a tree card base gatefold card. Look how gorgeous that is. It also comes with May Your Christmas Be Merry and Bright. Also comes with this awesome die here on the side. It comes with little ornaments to decorate your tree. Here's another sample just because I really wanted you to see how awesome this is. Open it up. Isn't that gorgeous? I know, it's beautiful. We also released a very, very, very limited quantity of the die Be Merry, and look how cute it is on all these fun tags. I love all these tags. They're just so different but all the same. Isn't that awesome? Just change the colors. That's all you have to do. We also released our Noel Fold It die set. So fun. And our Merry with Tree gatefold sides. Look at that. They're panels, gatefold panels. I love that. By popular demand, we finally now have on our website the cake I did for Sizzix 100 years ago. So now it's available on our website. You gotta love that cake. Awesome. And the sleigh Fold It. Oh, I know you guys like just all fell over when you finally got to get that one, right? So much fun. We also released a Creative Decks with the swoosh. I love that swoosh. Now, last but not least, because probably one of my favorites, we released the Ultra Fine Glitter at an amazing price. We released the Sequin Pack 5-pack at an amazing price. And we released the Holiday Clay Jars at an amazing price. Oh my goodness, you guys. These are limited edition. Once they are gone forever because we're going to move on to other designs. So get these now while you can. Woo! What a month it has been, right? How does time go so fast? Now, club members, you're getting the club discount on everything I just showed you and everything on my website. 15 to 20% off every single day as long as you're a club member. It's like a sale. You don't have to wait for a sale. We don't have real sales. We have club discount every single day. We do have flash sales, though, on our brand new products when they are released. Most of them are on the first 24 hours they're on our website, they're on an extra sale, a flash sale. So you're getting extra discounts. It's absolutely amazing. Go to our website, thestampsoflife.com. Get in on any of these items that you missed out on because you don't want to have to wait if they get sold out. Thanks so much. I'll see you soon. Take care. Bye-bye. Thank you so much for watching. Now make sure you subscribe to our channel right below us here so you don't miss out on any of our videos. You'll also have the option to click the Shop Now button or check out some of these other videos that we have on YouTube because you know what? You're going to love them. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.